In this video, I'll show you how to set up missed call text back so that when somebody calls you but you cannot answer, a message is automatically sent to them where they can actually reply and you can start a chat. Now from here you could also use the conversation AI bot to even let AI continue the conversation, but that's a topic for a different video. So to set this up, what you want to go and do is just head over into automation. And of course you will need to already have your phone number linked to GoHighLevel and to have added a phone number, otherwise you won't be able to set this up. But gonna click create workflow and start from a template, that's the easiest way. Then just gonna search for missed call and it will then show you two options. You can do auto missed call text back or you can do a WhatsApp back. But not everyone is on WhatsApp, so what I'll do is just select text back. So from here, going to click on choose template. It will then load the template into your workflows and you will see the trigger right here. So that's incoming call missed, busy or voicemail. So you could also build your own custom workflow, just use this trigger, incoming call missed, busy or voicemail, and make sure to add a filter, which is in phone number. And then here select your phone number. Then go to click on save trigger. Now you could also choose to remove voicemail or busy as a trigger. For example, when you're already calling, you are busy, but you maybe just want to call them back right after that. So that means you are basically on, but you are just busy. So you could remove that one if you want, but I'll just save this trigger. Then it has a slight delay of 0.2 minutes, so 12 seconds. So that's so that it doesn't feel like a bot. Then it's assigned to a user. Then a tag is added, which is missed call. And then here you have the SMS to delete, which you can customize right here. So the standard is, hey there, sorry we missed your call, how can we help? And then your location name is filled in automatically. So you can change this if you'd like, but for me this is fine. Then you can push a notification to the assigned user. You have missed a call from phone number. Please reach out to them ASAP before the lead gets called. And an internal SMS to the assigned user. So after you're happy with your workflow, and you could also add more steps, you could implement the conversation AI in here, but what we're going to do is click publish and save. Now I want to demonstrate that this actually works, so on my phone, I'm now going to call the phone number that is connected to my GoHighLevel account. And then here in the enrollment history, you will see me show up, so I'm going to call it right now. And I'm not going to pick up this call, so that basically it goes to not answered and that then should trigger the workflow. Okay, so I just called and I didn't pick up. Now if I go in enrollment history and I refresh this, you will now see me right here. So then you can see added to workflow. You can take actions for this person, but what's actually important is that now if I go onto my phone, I get a message that says, hey there, sorry we missed your call, how can we help? And then the company name. So I'm just going to respond to this message, I would like to book an appointment. So I've sent that message right now. Now if you go back right here and go into your conversations, this is where this shows up. So right here, this is the message that was sent automatically just now. And now I said I would like to book an appointment and then that shows up here. So that is how you can set up missed call text back with a custom message, and you can customize this however you want. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like, and if you want to learn more about GoHighLevel, that's what this channel is all about, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.